Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about the float data type, which is a floating point number. Okay, so let's get started by creating a float variable. Let's call it let's say weight. Okay, and we can start with some values such as in the last video we started talking about integers and floats actually work differently. We can store precision with the data with more precision, such as let's say 56.9. We can do this if you want to. Let's now print output of this variable. Let's print the value of this variable, and you guys can see here that again I'm getting this red line, this red uh, underscore line, which is showing me that I have some error here. The error that I'm making is that I need to put a postfix to this variable, and this postfix is the f, which stands for float. Now I'm good to go. If I execute, I should see 56.9. So there's a couple of things you guys need to be aware about floats. One of the things is the precision. So if I put 56.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it won't actually store all this precision. It's gonna store just the 5, 6. So if I execute, I should see only this. Okay, and you guys can see here it's showing me 5 because it is rounding down the last digit, which is 6 to a lower value, which is 5. So you guys can see we only get 6 precision, 6 decimal values, and this can be a problem. But I bet you guys would never need more precision than this usually. So this is how you create float data type on Java. Hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time.